So I got another stupid idea, and idea is to make the pivot turns in this small garage. I think something is going to be wrong. I will get injured or the bike is going to get broken. So let's make that pivot turn. So stop. So the next idea is to lift the front up on this table. So let's remove this picture so I don't break it.
To let it go, baby. You got to let it go.
On my Instagram page I asked you who is the best enduro rider. So I got some responses. So first name on the list is the Billy Bolt. Yeah, the Billy Bolt is really animal. I like his style because he's really good with the technique, but still he's animal on the bike. So really good rider. So the second name is Enduro Maya. Yeah, some guy posted that. It's my sister, so she's not that good, but yeah, she is good looking. The next name is Letty. It's young guy from Germany. I can say he's the almost top rider in the world for now, because he's got skills, speed, stamina and everything.
Whoa!
The next name is Wade Young. Yeah, Wade Young is also animal, really strong guy, but I think he's missing the trial technique for the hard enduro, but he's really good. Then guys started to post Graham Jarvis, yeah, he's really good at his age and he has really good skills. It's hard to believe. It's like next level from another guys in the racing. So So guys, posted Cody Webb. Yeah, he's really good in super enduro, I think, but in hard enduro, I think he is not having the luck. So. Mario Roman, yeah, Mario Roman is really special in full wide open uphills. So I seen his riding style in Lazy Noon in Esberg, and it was really amazing. So that guy for full speed uphill, he is animal. Yeah, Kevin Gallas is really good rider from Germany. I know he's coming very often in Croatia for the trainings. So I watched also his YouTube channel. Really nice skills, also with the trial background. So it's really good young rider. Yeah, that's everything for now. So please comment what you think about this video. I'm going to leave you watching now some footage from my riding and what you think about this Monster Energy.
got to let it go, baby. got to let it go. You got to let it go, baby. You got to let